Hi guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. First of all, apologies for being late. I was quite busy and tied up with my schedule, and that's why I couldn't upload the video on time. So this tutorial is for unit number 4, plant form and function. As we all know, unit number 4 is quite boring. However, it has a lot of question points that are important for the A-level biology paper. Since the lesson is boring and not that interesting, I have made some changes in this tutorial by adding some tables and diagrams to make it more interesting. So I hope that will help you guys to consolidate and memorize the facts in this lesson. Use the link in the description to download the tutorial. And also check out the MCQ Magic for unit number 4. I have linked that also in the description. And make sure to like this video and please subscribe and support my channel. See you soon from the next video. Take care. Bye bye.